Hello, today we will unbox the Redmi Note 7 global version. It is 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and it comes in Neptune blue color, and that's about it. So we can open it now. Okay, we have silicone case, the free one you get with the headset. We have some user manual, we have a warranty card, and it's a clear case, and it's a very thin case. It's really thin on the edges. You can see how this is really thin. Also it doesn't have a edge here to protect the camera, because this device has rear camera sticking out. So all in all, I would suggest you to replace it by something different. Also, you can get this case in this darker color. I got it with my Redmi Note 7 Pro, and it's really the same as this one, but it's a little bit darker. Basically, it's the same case. I would recommend you to get a Nilken case, which is really, for the price, it's a great case. And it's well built and designed. It's a snug fit. If you order the device from the AliExpress, you will have the option to opt in for a Nilken case or for some other case, but I think that you can't choose the color of the case. But if you order separately, and I will add the links in the description where you can buy it, you can choose the color. And you have three options. You have a clear case, which is this one. Also, you have some yellowish tint to this clear case, and you have a third option, which is this one, which I really prefer. It's a little bit lighter color, and also it's not that dark like this one. On this case, you have really nice edges, and the camera protection is actually really great. So all in all, I really recommend these Nilken cases. And I suppose here we have also the needle. Yes, here it is. Here is the needle. Here we have the device itself, and we will put it aside for a while. Here we have a charger, which is, as you can see, AU type charger, and although this phone is rated for the quick charge 4, this charger only charges up to 2 amps, as you can see. And you will need to buy a separate charger if you want to charge faster your phone. Also, we have a USB Type-C cable, which is nice. They included it. And this is about it. We don't have anything anymore here. No earphones. No, nothing. I saw on AliExpress that you can order optionally the earphones or this case I showed you earlier, and I will put also the link in the description so you can see where I bought it from. Now we can take a look at the phone. Really nice looking device, and especially in this Neptune blue, which is some kind of gradient color. Also, it feels really premium. It feels like you're holding much more expensive device in your hand. You get a 6.3 inches Full HD display, which is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. Also, you get a Snapdragon 660, which is quite a nice processor. It's not the top end, of course, but for the price it is really great. You get 4000 milliamps battery, which will last you 1 to 2 days, depends on your usage. It comes with 13 megapixels front camera, which is really great. I tested it on my phone. And here at the bottom you have USB Type-C, which is a great feature, and we have some speaker holes. Actually, I think only one is a speaker, I think this one. We have 2 buttons, which is a power button and a volume rocker. They have really nice feel to it and a feedback. On the top here we have an air blaster and a headphone jack 3.5 millimeters and a mic. Also, we have a speaker here and some sensors. On the bottom we also have LED notification. On this side we have the storage for the SIM card and micro SD card, which is an upgrade for your internal memory. It can take up to 256 gigabytes. On the back side we have fingerprint sensor, which is working really fast. We have a flash, and we have dual camera system that I was talking about, which is sticking, as you can see. So you need the proper case to protect it. This dual camera system consists of 48 megapixel Samsung sensor, which is nice, and the 5 megapixel secondary camera for that shallow depth of field you all really like. The only downside of this device, if you will not carry any protection or case for it, is the amount of fingerprints it collects. But hey, this is the price you pay for this premium glass look and feel. Now we can peel off this sticker and turn this little baby on. Okay, here it is. As you can see, the display is really nice. Let me show you the look from the edges. This phone comes with the MIUI 10, I think. Yes, the MIUI 10.21. It has some nice tools. This global version comes with much less of Chinese bloatware. It has some nice features. This global ROM comes with all pre-installed Google stuff like Play Store. Also, you have other Google apps. So let's we check the camera. As you can see, here is a really good lighting, but the camera is really nice. Not bad for this sub $200 phone. The camera is good. The front camera is really great. Phone is really snappy, and if you are not some hard user, then you will find that this phone is really good at multitasking, at opening multiple apps at once. The device is really actually really good value for the money, because all of the features built into it. I will put the links in the description where you can order this device for the sub $200 at least now when I'm recording this. In the next video I will discuss about the best protection and the best budget option protection for this phone in terms of the camera lens protection, and the best case for the device, and the best screen protection you can get for the really nice price, and to protect this gorgeous device from falls and some scratches. So if you want to see all these videos about the protection of this phone, subscribe for you to don't miss out on these new videos that we will publish soon. Okay, this is it for now. Hope this was informative for you, and take care. Bye bye.